everyone.
Everyone.
And welcome back to Dog and Partridge, a place of own fine craft ales. If you haven't met him before, you won't find him catching a flight from Heathrow because he has a diesel generator as backup. It's world famous non-line data, Alan Partridge.
This is my world famous brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge. Yeah, he's got a backup generator.
Yeah, backup generator. This is the way forward.
You've got to have them. Heathrow, you numpties.
Do you have them in Die Hard? We have to go switch them on in Die Hard.
Oh, the backup generators.
The backup
generators.
Yeah.
You know, if the planes couldn't take off and land and everything and you're in the airport, you know what you need, don't you?
Backup generator?
No, beer.
See where you went there.
He didn't get that, did he? He wasn't see what I was moving on. What are we drinking today then, bro?
Oh, we've got some returning kits, actually, some returning champions from Malt Miller and Dark Rock.
Lovely, jubbly. Where are we starting?
I think we want to start with the kit from Dark Rock, which is the 1 tin session series that they do. It's very successful. They've brought out a new one, but I'm doing this one at the minute. This is
Riwaka. Or riwaka, everything. You've probably seen these things before. They come in these nice little boxes. So it basically what it says is 1 tin kit in there, isn't there?
Yeah. You do need an answer.
Do need an answer with it. It makes 40 pints. It's a delicious New Zealand style pale ale, Riwaka hops. They provide bold, sweet citrus notes to this beer, accompanied by fresh aromas of passion fruit, grapefruit, lemon and tropical fruit.
Ooh, sounds nice.
That's all you need to know about this. How much are these kind of knocking out for, Brad?
About 13, 14 quid. You do need the answer. You get everything, I think. Dark Rock are doing the 2 things together as a purchase bundle.
Oh, right, yeah.
But also, if you go on there and do the purchase bundle with their answer and put in DP review, you'll get 10% off.
10% off. These are the easy ways, obviously, into brewing, aren't they, Brad? These are the easiest.
Dissolve the 1 tin kit into a fermenter, add your answer, add some hot water, add some cold water, add the yeast. Everything it comes with is instructions on the back of the box. And then you have beer.
Beer. Now, I seem to remember this one was quite good.
I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh, it smells quite good. And actually, that doesn't smell like a kit at all. You always get that kind of a malty aroma with a kit. Yeah, that isn't there now, is it?
That smells exactly what it says. Passion fruity, citrusy. Yeah, that smells lovely. Hoppy. Oh, that's good. It's slightly hazy, but that's, yeah. Going in.
Going in.
Going in. Oh, by heck.
Oh, fantastic.
That's hard to tell. That's a 1 tin kit, isn't it?
Oh, ain't it just?
There's no kitty, you know, when we say this, there's no kitty flavour to that, is there? There's no, that's just really, really good.
Probably lacks a little bit of body.
I was just saying, just a little bit of body.
Compared to a full grain.
Yeah, a little bit of fullness, but
apart from
fantastic. Worth the money, that is, definitely.
that's better than any of the beers in Wetherspoons that we had last night. Oh, we couldn't have
We
beers
couldn't have
in
any because they didn't have any on.
Our Wetherspoons is shockingly, and if anybody knows how to complain to JD Wetherspoons himself, Mr. Tim, whatever his name is, let me know, because our Wetherspoons had no beer on last night, no guest beers.
During a beer festival.
We went to Grand for Friday night.
Right,
I don't know. I
Five,
lost
six.
count.
Yeah.
How many beers they had on?
And as soon as they ran out, they put the one on.
Yeah, I just couldn't believe it. I come not different world.
Don't come
Different world.
Don't come to our Wetherspoons, basically.
Yeah, avoid. At all cost.
Make some beer instead, because it'll be better. But that's fantastic, bro. Apart from, like you say, a slight body to it, I can't really knock it down for that because it's 1 tin kit. It's 10 out of 10.
It is definitely 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Oh.
All down.
Blew me away, that. Oh. Over there, bro.
Well, I reckon we want to go to Malt Miller and have some Bass.
Oh, Malt Miller Bass. So, I haven't got any accoutrements for this one, but we've done this one before, haven't we?
We've done this one before, did another award-winning kit, this is. Obviously, it's a beer that's close to our hearts because we have the Bass Malting's historic malting
I
house.
see you even attempted to draw the little red triangle there on the old...
Well, it ain't difficult, is it? Red triangle's red triangle.
You haven't made that good a job of it. I'll see me wearing my bass in a minute.
Go on, this or not?
Yeah. It's a wonderful triangle. There you go. It's a bit hazy that one, bro, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know why. It does come with like something to add into the brew, like a not candom tablet. What's the word I'm looking for? Probiotic tablet. But you don't get no fines with it as such. And I think I could do with some fines for this.
Probiotic.
Yeah.
Whatever it's called. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's the malty sort of notes that you expect with that sort of beer.
Smells good.
Yeah.
It just smells beer good.
It just smells beer.
Traditional English classic beer. Of course, in the height of Bass's fame, shall we say, 1 million barrels a year were shipped around the world to feed our troops in Burma and all the rest of the continent.
Yeah, you often go to a hotel anywhere around the world, you see a big bass mirror, because they used to have bass in their bars.
And a red triangle.
A red triangle. Like, just like that one, my brother's expertly drawn on that punch clip there. I'm winning. Oh, yes. I'm going in again.
Excellent personified.
Bass. Yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong.
You can't go wrong.
Well,
It is actually
you can.
bass as well.
It actually really does taste like it does from the brewery. That's excellent.
Yeah.
Again, just if you don't bass or if you drink bass, it's just a nice traditional English bitter.
Yeah. Still get it in Burton-on-Trent. There's still some bass pubs in Burton-upon-Trent that serving bass to this day.
Now and again, it'll kick up in a pub around here. There's one of the pubs at the top of the town here. They'll sometimes have it out. So,
I'd love to go to Burton-upon-Trent Ale Trail in June and do the pub ale trail there that they've got going on, and you get to sample bass in all its gloriousness.
in every pub you go in. You get bass in 18 different pubs. Well, there you go. It's 10 out of 10 for me.
That's it for me.
This is a good day, isn't it? It's a good day, isn't it?
But we always do good because this is returning champions. So what we're really doing here is just to see if the quality and the consistency still existed.
It still remains. Yeah, it does. Top notch. And now I believe we're moving on to our winner.
Our winner from last year.
So this is the Dark Rock. This is a premium all grain beer kit. This is the Marlborough Mist. Oh yeah, this was stunning beer, wasn't it?
Stunning beer.
Stunning beer.
Last year's winner of the Dog and Partridge Golden Award.
Crafted with distinctive blend of premium New Zealand Muteka, riwaka and Nelson Sauvin. Oh, Christ, Mercer and Nectar on hops. There's a lot of hops in this. This beer offers a delicious combination of flavours and aromas, balanced perfectly with the subtle sweetness of extra pale and Cara Gold malt.
Oh, yes.
Each sip delivers a satisfying taste experience. Well, it did the first time round, so hopefully it will the second. There you go. These were about 30, 40 quid, are these? About 30, these?
Yeah.
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 Somewhere around about that.
Sorry about that. But if you use DP Review,
Got in again.
you'll get another 10% off.
10%
so
off.
you can order Marlborough Mist
You can order Marlborough Mist
and Riwaka,
and riwaka.
get 10% off,
It's well worth
order
it.
another kit,
And get free delivery.
and get free delivery.
There you go. Yeah. Expert advice here. So yeah. Great.
Saving you money.
Saving you money, we are.
Money saving experts as well, we are.
Yeah. Should be on
Martin Lewis should have done nothing on
Should
it.
be on telly. There we are.
Right.
You reckon the last one smelled good? That smells
That's right.
fantastic.
Every bit of good as it does last time. And it's misty. It's hazy slightly.
I don't mind that. I'm not surprised with the amount of opposites are in it.
And I seem to think it was last time.
Yeah.
It's not.
I mean, it's Marlborough Mist, so
Yeah.
the name.
It's not clear and it's not
Yeah.
dead hazy like
Yeah.
some of the soup we get in here. It is misty.
Yeah. Hey, it's Misty. Play Misty for me.
Yeah.
There you go. Lovely. Well, it
Lovely.
smells fantastic. Smells everything you expect that. Stone fronty, passion fruity, refreshing. Everything you just said on there. It's great.
Does the quality remain the same? Let's find out.
Oh, by heck.
No, it's rubbish.
So, I don't know why he's drinking, but that's fantastic.
Oh my God, is it out? And that's why it was the winner. The stone fruits, the maltiness, the citroness, they just roll together in a perfect balance.
And it's got that Moorish sort of like, oh, what you need to do is have another drink of it. Yeah, that's lovely.
Actually, that's settled down quite nicely. I was saying
I
to
couldn't
Bro earlier, don't you just put it on and
Yes.
it might be a bit strong in flavour, but it hasn't.
No, that's fantastic.
That's fantastic.
I can understand why we picked it as a winner. That is brilliant.
Absolutely
10
brilliant.
out of 10. It could be more if you know. If we could do
Could
it
be 11 out of 10 plus.
all day long. That's
What's
fantastic.
what's the button go to on the old amp?
On the amp, I think it's about 11 in it. Oh, well, that's 3 10 out of 10s. You can't ask for more than that, really, can you?
No. Bit different to Wetherspoons last night.
It's not going to let it. Not going to let it lie. Not going to let it lie. If you want to tune in next time, we are doing. Oh, it's a Dark Rock Tap Takeover.
Yeah, I'm going to cost Dark Rock quite a bit of money. They're going to wish we never did the 10%.
You're going to
off.
get a lot of 10% off. So we're doing India Pale Lager,
Yep.
Proper Job,
Yep.
and Summit Session IPA.
That's a new one.
All from Dark Rock, and the last one's a new one. So there you go.
There you go.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
I look forward to that. If you're watching us anywhere else besides YouTube, get on over there, hit the subscribe button, comment away. He sometimes replies, but we both read them all. Yeah.
I try and play.
Tries and replies. He's a busy man, bless him. He's a busy man.
No, I mean, I've been brewing all day today.
He's been
In the
doing all day
brewing room.
Come out here, he's sweat dripping off his brow.
It's a full-time job. There's brewing and making beer and drinking beer and reviewing beer.
And then doing it all over again.
And doing all of it. I mean, where do I get my wage? I mean, 25 days holiday from. I mean,
I know where. He becomes a politician.
Oh, that's it.
That's
Yes. Yes.
Yes. That's it for this week then, bro.
That's about it for this week, bro. And like Bro says, stay tuned, subscribe. You won't miss out on anything, but if you don't, you will.
And you might get some money off.
So until next time, it's a goodbye from him.
It's goodbye from him.
Huzzah!
To the king.
To the king.